Hello everyone, this is Kyle from WeTechCareOfYou, and today I'm just going to show you a very quick video on how you can share a Microsoft PowerApp or a Microsoft form by a QR code. Now, this was a question we got asked by a customer, so I'm just quickly recording this. But yeah, so as you can see, I'm on PowerApps, and basically you just need to find the app that you want to share, and if you select the ellipsis and go to details, there it's going to show you the QR code which you can use for the PowerApp. If I now come over to Microsoft Forms, I'm just going to click on the form which I wish to share with the QR code. And if you select collect responses, and then here where you've got your share options, you can select QR code here, and that's going to show you the QR code to share that Microsoft form. I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and take care. Thank you.